Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking in on Morgan Geyser, one of the girls involved in the infamous 2014 Slender Man stabbing. After years in a mental health institution, she was finally conditionally released. But her situation remains complicated. So where is she now? Let's find out. Back in 2014, one 2-year-old Morgan Geyser and her friend Anissa Wire lured a classmate into the woods and stabbed her 19 times, claiming they did it to appease the fictional internet character known as Slender Man. Geyser was later found not guilty by reason of mental disease or defect and committed to a psychiatric hospital. In January 2025, after nearly 7 years in the Winnebago Mental Health Institute, Morgan was granted conditional release. A judge ruled that she had made significant progress and is no longer viewed as an immediate threat. Under the terms of her release, she is to live in a supervised group home, with GPS monitoring mandated to track her movements. A judge approved her move to a group home in Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, though there was controversy and pushback from the local community. Where is Morgan Geyser now? As of late November 2025, developments have taken a dramatic turn. Morgan reportedly cut off her ankle monitor and left her group home on the evening of November 22, according to police. She was last seen in the Cronka Drive area of Madison, Wisconsin, in the company of an adult acquaintance. Authorities later reported that she was found in Illinois and taken into custody there. Her attorney has confirmed she will not be living in the Sun Prairie facility. They have indicated there's a delay in moving her to a different facility. Morgan Geyser's story may have started in a schoolyard murder, but her journey has been every bit as complex since. Now released from long-term psychiatric confinement, her attempt at freedom has collided with public fear, legal oversight, and ongoing mental health struggles. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you found this update compelling, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life deep dives.